Got this normal top bank of relays here. 24-hour period I should add too. So if any of these safeties trip 3 times in a 24-hour period, that's going to lock out. Got your main controller for A101 here, and then the expansion controller is just picking up extra I/O points. Down here is your pressure sensors. So you got various filter pressure sensors, the pressure sensor for the heat recovery wheel, and duct static pressure. These two right here, these silver ones, these are the safeties. So this is supply fan differential pressure high limit and the exhaust fan high limit.
And if we end up with a screen on the controls that is yellowed out or oranged out because it's lost connection to the Jace, is there a way to reset or power down?
Yeah, if you've just lost the device, like if you're looking around and you just see air handler A101 is orange, but everything else in the A area is okay, that's probably something going on with these controllers right here. If you're noticing that everything is orange or yellow for area A, then probably the Jace is locked up. So there's a plug right here in the top left. You can pull that plug. That'll drop power to the Jace. Just leave it off for maybe like 10 seconds. Plug it back in. It's going to take 2 or 3 minutes.
And there's no real shock. There's no electricity. You're going to hurt yourself.
No, this is just 24 volts.
Okay.
Yeah. Keep your wedding rings out of there. All this in here is all low voltage. Transformers. We got 2 transformers up here. This whole panel is being powered off of one of these circuits. These transformers have 5 circuits each with little rocker switches. These power actuators. They power all the VAVs out in the spaces and the other controllers that are out there. So this right here
looks temporary.
It is, yeah. Before the network was going, we needed to download everything, so we put this temporary network in. We're still waiting on a drop in the middle C mechanical room, and so this is still feeding that down there. Once we get that drop, we'll take this out. Yeah. All right. Got your supply fan VFD over there, your exhaust fan VFD here. Auto light is orange. Pay attention to that. If somebody comes and puts these drives in hand or in override, it's going to send an alarm to the BAS that'll show up. Yep. If the green light isn't lit right here in the middle, then that means that the system's not calling for it. On the exhaust fan, all these safeties have to be lit. And then what it'll do is there's a control damper on the exhaust fan section, and that has to open up before the exhaust fan can turn on. So it opens, and then a little end switch proves, and that lights this relay right here and lets the fan come on. So potentially something that could hold the exhaust fan out. All of the filter differential pressure sensors, no lock.
Yeah.
All right, put that on my list. We couldn't squeeze them all in this panel, so we put between those two, that's got all the filter, ERW, and duct static pressure sensors all in those 2 panels. 2 transformers here for the VAVs and the air handlers. Same deal with the reset buttons here.